everyone, we are now on day 4 in the Maldives, enjoying boat life. I really hope everyone enjoyed Joyce's vlog yesterday. As I said before, I really want to do something slightly different on my channel, which is allow vlog takeovers, and I believe the first one was a success, so we look forward to doing more of those in the future. Today we do have to change boats today. When we arrived, they had to put us on a different boat due to the original boat we booked had some engine trouble, and this book is booked from about 7 o'clock this evening, so we have got a transfer. I'm not quite sure if it's 10 o'clock or 3 o'clock because the travel agent or guides can't quite make up their minds, but we've been given some complimentary water sports as they've had to change our boats, and then at some point today we will be changing to the new boat. We've got Carls and Chanel having a dab hand at fishing.
Oh, so close!
Did you feel it nibbling?
Yeah.
Get it?
You got it.
Oh!
Kai has become a little expert all of a sudden. Good lad.
You've got it, now you've got to take it back up.
Oh,
It is another absolutely glorious day here in the Maldives. Check out that water again. I know I've said it a lot already this series, but it still just blows my mind every morning. There's a few other places in the world that I hear are similar, Philippines being one of them. Cannot wait to check that out. Hopefully this Christmas we'll be there, we'll see. Anyway, myself and Joe are just making the most of a little bit of sun and quiet time this morning. We should be getting picked up in about an hour and a half for some water sports. We're not 100% sure what water sports they got planned for us, but we know we're doing some parasailing. So I've never done parasailing because, as you guys know if you've seen any of my other videos, I am so scared of heights, it's unreal. Then we're changing boats. The Hope Cruiser, the one we're currently on at the moment, is absolutely amazing, I must admit. When I first arrived I wasn't 100% happy because we weren't on the expected, but the crew have been amazing, the boat has been absolutely wicked. It's been brilliant, that's all I can say. Absolutely brilliant, really recommend these guys. We got a Mora?
Another more, yeah, another one.
yes, Carla.
Go on, I'll pull it.
So here we are fishing again. Oh, what we got here?
Another Mora.
Wow.
Carla got it.
Yeah, come and hold it.
Yay! Yeah.
There you go.
Yes, Jamie.
Another little baby.
Wow.
Wow.
Mora number 2.
Same one. Same dumb one.
So a little update from the crew. We're sailing back towards Mali or Mali, not quite sure. Every person I speak to pronounces it differently. So we're heading in that direction right now. Literally just leaving the island we've been on for the last 24, near for the last sort of 20-24 hours. I'm looking forward to a bit of sailing actually, because it'll be a nice breeze. We get to see the beautiful Maldives. The boat we're supposed to be getting on is either meeting us somewhere in between here and Mali or at Mali. The crew aren't quite sure because apparently there's been issues, whatever they are. I have to say the guys here on the Hope Cruiser have been absolutely brilliant. Let's see what happens over the next few hours. We're now sailing, not particularly quick at the moment, but check this beautiful island out. Don't know if the camera does this any justice, but that is absolutely beautiful. You've got white sandy beaches with palm trees, a little dock for boats to go land at. It looks fairly deserted from here as well. It is beautiful. Seriously, the Maldives, just a thing of beauty, this place. But our water sports is here. Some parasailing. What are you about to do, buddy?
I go parasailing.
Yes.
You should be epic.
Woo!
Mrs. Joyce, you going?
Ready for it.
Ready to rock and roll?
I've seen someone else do it.
Standard.
We're going up, yo! Right, I'm going to do a bit of vlogging. They made it look so easy. Me and Joanne are going to go for a little flight. So here we go, guys.
Enjoy that, Chanel?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Like
Good, Rach?
It was awesome.
Awesome. So the guys have just finished parasailing. They look like they all loved it and enjoyed themselves. As you can tell by the footage and with me doing this now, I've whipped up big time and not done it, but I'm glad all the guys really enjoyed themselves. I believe we're heading back to Mali now, or Mali, where we should be meeting our next boat, which we're all quite excited about now. I think we're about to tuck into a bit of lunch. The guys are putting it on for us, and then hopefully we change to our new boat. How was your first parasailing experience?
Really, really good. It's
Yeah.
scary.
Yeah?
Really, really glad I did it.
Yeah?
Good fun. And I have a wingman over there, so it was good.
Wingman, to be fair, she had to be wingman because I was never going up there. Just seen the photos of our new boat. We can now see it in the distance. There's a little bit of excitement now about this boat. So yeah, you'll see us all board shortly. Cannot wait, it looks absolutely awesome. There is our new boat, the Maldivian Dream. Really want to thank all the guys on the Hope Cruiser. They have been top banana. Really, really recommend this boat. If you're into diving or surfing, these guys know what they're doing. You don't even need to hire a surf guide. One of the main guides, he is a surf guide as well. Knows his stuff. Real specialist in that sort of stuff. We didn't do any diving with them, but they showed us their videos, and I have to say that this crew make this boat. So if you want a personalised time and a great time, come and stay on the Hope Cruiser. I hate goodbyes.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yeah, exactly.
Cheers, boys. Thank you.
Thank you. The best cruise ever. This little boat on the open water is a little bit nerve-wracking.
Getting off it.
Cheers, guys. Thank you. This man is a legend. Thank you. So I must admit, I think that was possibly one of the most nerve-wracking things we've all done together. Stuck in a little dinghy in the open water. Yeah, we're all on board, so it's not a problem. Now to check out this new ship. So this is the main lounge area. Wow. This is pretty insane.
This is ridiculous.
This is sick. Rolling in.
Hello.
Hello. Oh yes, my friends. What's your name, sorry?
Yes. Yes.
Giash. Thank you. Well, me and Ben are here in the lounge. Everyone else has gone to check the rooms out. I think we're going to head upstairs. Come on, mate. Looks like a hotel. That's sick. Oh my god. I've got a king size bed. So the Hope Cruiser, which is over there now sailing away, was absolutely brilliant. It really was. The experience was great. First time any of us had done anything like this, apart from a traditional cruiser. We wanted a kind of surf boat, had a family, personal touch to it, and it really did. The staff were amazing. I'll be honest, when we first got it, we were slightly disappointed because we was expecting a bigger boat. But actually after sort of a couple of hours and we settled in, we realised we had an absolutely fantastic crew, great boat. It was exactly what we wanted. Last night we were very disappointed to find out we were leaving it. We really didn't want to leave, but had no choice because they have another booking arriving this evening at 7 PM. For the last 24 hours has probably been frustrating and disappointing because we haven't known where we're going, what ship we're going to be on, what time or anything, and until about 2 hours ago still didn't know. We're getting frustrated, restless. We felt we've wasted a bit of a day, but looking at the ship, I feel it's probably worth it is the wrong phrase, but it's certainly all the bad bits are now behind us. The rooms are amazing. It is beautiful on here. if the crew are even half as good as the last one, this is going to be epic. So just here on our new boat, and we're enjoying the sunset right now, and here's everybody over here. What do we think of this sunset, guys? There we go, we're on the new boat, we've got the tunes going, the beer's flowing, and we're going to enjoy this beautiful sunset you can see right behind me. Joycey is stoked. He's enjoyed speaking to his dad about this ship. He's teed up 2020's holiday. I got friction burns to my feet from that. So everyone's a little excited for the evening on this new boat. The standard has gone up a notch. This boat, as I said, is a little higher standard, mainly because I would say it's a bit more of a family boat, or if you've got a little bit more money. This is the first thing I've felt that is slightly lucky for us, that we've ended up on this boat. Can't thank Lee from Duty Travel, my travel agent, and a lady called Sarah from Hummingbird Travel. Those two have been, you know, they've really gone all out to get us this boat. So I thank them very much for this. Ladies, ready for the evening? Yeah. This boat's awesome, right?
Yeah, amazing.
I like it. It's got fish.
Yeah.
Top job, thank you.
So everyone's enjoyed their food and dinner. It's pretty enjoyable here on the new boat. I'm gonna end the vlog there today. I think we're all pretty tired and cream crackered. We're gonna enjoy a few beverages and then we'll pick it up tomorrow for the 5th day.